right now we're about to head down to a little place that like just got built, kind of like a wharf thing, like a kind of a look off to the water. And so we're about to go there right now, and then we're gonna stop into the rink to see how my teammates are doing in the tournament. But not my teammates, like the Eastern Shore teammates, but not my teammates. Okay, we made it down to the LaHave River. It's a brand new renovation they did. It's a very nice complex what they did. You can sit down right here, I guess. Another little place to sit. This is our kind of last day in Bridgewater, so we got to make the most of it to kind of record and do whatever we want to do. And so we're gonna be driving home today, but we kind of just wanted to stop off here to look at things because we've never been down here before, to actually walk and actually see things. So this is like really nice complex. And this is what I want to do when I'm older, like have a job for photography and go different places to actually like see what's being built and see what's like in the world. And I don't know, are you allowed to fish here, Mom, or not, off this wharf?
I don't know.
Probably not, but if I wouldn't have had this coat and my hat on, I would have been freezing. But I've got like a coat under this coat too, so. Wow. I'm thinking of doing a time lapse shooting that way or that way. Hit the cars. Oh, I got an idea. Shoot time lapses up the cars like that way. Hey, Mom. Okay, got a time lapse. I don't know how it turned out, but I'll check on my footage what I got after I'm done recording and like editing stuff. What I'm editing. Okay, I'm starting to get a little warm. Screw it. I'll be warm for life then. At least it won't be cold. Only a blanket. But my kind of person, like my first thoughts in this, but like I thought it was being different. I didn't know they're actually building like a thing to walk and like a little place you can sit down and watch the traffic or watch the things. Like, but it's like actually a nice, I don't know, it's a nice little thing that if you're stressed out, you can come down and on a summer day you can just, you know, not snowy day, but you can like, I don't know, walk and think and swear, whatever you want to say. Just get it out and enjoy life again. Enjoy life again. So I actually time lapse from up there. The camera is shooting all across there. So I hope that actually turned out well. But this tripod is doing well. What are you doing, Mom?
Doing around again.
Doing around again. Okay. I'll do it again too. Or do it, not again, but I'll do it. I feel like I'm getting more not camera shy in public, so I can do this and not feel weird about myself. Like I'm coming to like a place right now where there's like cars zooming by me, and I'm talking now, you know, and I'm not scared to do it. And people look at me like, "What the hell is this kid doing?" But like, I'm vlogging my day to vlog, my day to release any stress. So that's what I like to do. What do you like to do? So last day in Bridgewater kind of sucks because I want to do this a bit more because there's lots of awesome things to do in Bridgewater, like to go look at things and see things, and I love it. And people looking at me. You know, one more look, and then we're gonna go. That's not a really good look, but I'll go here. Back in the car, going home. Okay guys, we just got in the car and now we're leaving from Bridgewater, going home. Gotta make a couple stops. We gotta get my pizza for my MVP award from hockey, and then we're probably gonna make another couple stops for some stretch our legs or something like that. So that's pretty much it for the vlog, but I'll film stuff in the car, time lapses and stuff like that. So hope you guys enjoyed like the little trip in Bridgewater. I just wanted to go down. And here to my right is Michelin, where they make tires, and the big Michelin guy with the tire white guy. And this is the Michelin guy right there on that wall. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know I enjoyed this vlog. While I'm editing, I'm watching over the clips, and I love them because we went down to like the wharf thing, looked off, and the water is beautiful. It was really nice this morning. It was a little chilly, but it was really all good day today. Just on the way home right now, and we are in Cole Harbor. We're probably going to a Moosehead's hockey game tomorrow. So the last of the season. So hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. We're at 60 subscribers. Thank you so much for joining the vlog. See you tomorrow, guys.